Hello guys, in this video we function sine of ax plus b, period is 2 pi by a modulus. For cos is 2 pi by a modulus. For tan is pi by a modulus. For cot pi by a modulus, and for secant is 2 pi by a modulus, and for cosecant is 2 pi by a modulus. Next functions are modulus of sin x, modulus of cos x, modulus of tan x, modulus of cot x, modulus of secant x, modulus of cosecant x. Period is pi. Period is pi. Now here sin x modulus plus cos x modulus. What is the period of this? Just let me show you that modulus of sin x plus modulus of cos x, then this is the graph of the result. Now here 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, again repeating the same cycle to the pi. That means the first cycle is repeating continuously. That means period of the modulus of sin x plus modulus of cos x is pi by 2 from the graph itself. Hence coming to here, modulus of tan x plus modulus of cot x. What is the period of modulus of tan x plus modulus of cot x? Let me show you here. We have here in this distance between the 2 points pi by 4 plus pi by 4, how much? Pi by 2. Hence period is pi by 2. You can write it as pi by 2. The period of this is pi by 2 and the period of this is pi by 2. Same. Next, so here we have modulus of sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. Here in this the period is 0 to minus pi by 4, means distance is pi by 4. Here the distance is 3 pi by 4. If we add up together 4 pi by 4, which is nothing but pi. Hence the period of this function is pi. So I can write it as the function is pi. Next, tan x plus cot x. What is the period of this tan x plus cot x? Tan x plus cot x. Hence here modulus of tan x plus cot x period is pi by 4 to here 0 to pi by 4 is a pi by 4 distance, pi by 4 distance. Add up together, what is that? Pi by 2. Hence pi by 2 is the period of the tan x plus cot x modulus. So I can write it as this is pi by 2. Hence this is the period of this. I just forgot it to show here. And modulus of sin x minus cos x is also same period, pi, and modulus of tan x minus cot x is also same period, pi by 2. Hence this is the periodic functions periods. Next is here, this is the question, period of the function f of x is equals to sin x modulus minus cos x modulus by sin x modulus plus cos x modulus. Here in this, from the definition we will find now. Definition is what actually p belongs to real number. If f of x plus p is equals to f of x, then that is said to be a periodic function, and p is period of the function. So p is a period. Now here I am considering f of x plus pi is equals to sine of pi plus x minus cos of pi plus x by modulus of sin x pi plus x plus modulus of cos of pi plus x. Hence you can get the same 180 plus theta, which is third quadrant, pi plus theta in third quadrant sign is negative, but modulus is there, due to which it is positive. Hence mod of sin x minus mod of cos x by mod of sin x plus mod of cos x. Hence this is f of x. Hence it satisfied f of x plus pi for all x belongs to real numbers. Hence therefore this is a periodic function and period is pi. Hence the period is pi. First option is the solution. That's all. That is the answer for the given question. Here in this we have functions cos of mod of sin x minus mod of cos x. What is the period? Let me show you. The period is pi by 2. The period is pi by 2. So I am writing here pi by 2 cos of this mod of sin x minus mod of cos x. Next is sin of mod sin of mod of sin x minus mod of cos x. Period is minus pi by 2. Pi by 2 means pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is how much? Pi. Hence the period is pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi. Hence the period is pi. Next tan is also same. Seems. Just a minute. Let me show you. Tan is pi by 2 to pi by 2 only. Hence the period is pi only. So there is no change. Hence we can write it as pi. Period is. Next cot is cot also same. It seems to be. Just a minute. Let me see. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Hence plus pi. Hence we can write it as this is pi. Next secant pi by 2. Period is secant. For the secant is pi by 2. The period of secant is given. Given question, first copy down. Secant of what we have, x degree plus x degree power by 4 plus x degree by 16 plus and so on infinity. Just consider series. Consider series what we have, x degrees, or take x degrees common from here. It will become secant of x degree common, then 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus and so on infinity. So from here consider series. Consider a series. So from here the series can be written as 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus and so on infinity. Infinity series can be written as a plus ar plus ar square plus and so on infinity. Then a is the first term, r is the common ratio, then sum of infinity terms can be written as a by 1 minus r. So I am using this formula. Here a is equals to 1, r is equals to what? R is equals to 1 by 4. Next, sum of infinity is equals to a is 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. Now 4 minus 1 by 4 LCM. Next 4 goes there, 4 by 3. Hence the sum of infinity. In the place of that series I am substituting what? Secant of x degrees into what we have, 4 by 3 is enough. 4 by 3. I am substituting 4 by 3. From here we got it secant of x degrees into 4 by 3. Now here what we have, x degree. To convert x degree into radians I am just multiplying pi by 180. So secant of pi by 180 into x into 4 by 3. From here I can write it as secant of pi by 180 into 4 by 3 of x. Then period of the secant x is, period of secant ax is 2 pi by a modulus. From here I can write it as 2 pi by a is what? Pi by 180 into 4 by 3. So 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Here 3 9s are 27. Pi get cancelled. Pi get cancelled. 270. Hence the 270 is the period. 70 is the period. That's all. That is the answer.